Paano mag-manifest in a Neville Goddard way. And when I say manifest, we have to define it before we proceed sa details nitong video nito, no? So according to Neville Goddard, manifestation is the outer expression of the inner state. Ibig sabihin, it is consciousness solidified. Ibig sabihin, it is thoughts being transformed into a 3D form. So, now that we have a clear definition about what manifestation is, I will teach you on how you can manifest anything you want in your life. I know that's a big promise, but hear me out. Whenever we're trying to manifest something in our life, ang ginagawa natin is we're thinking that what we desire is the 3D fact. So for example, gusto mo ng bahay at kotse because you want to feel secured. Right? Gusto mo nang makahanap ng asawa because you want to feel love. Gusto mo magkaroon ng successful na business because you want to feel respected. Okay? So, ang ginagawa natin most of the time is inaakala natin na kailangan pa natin ng mga 3D form, katulad ng bahay, kotse, specific na tao, hinahanap pa natin siya sa outer expression natin, where in fact, what we're actually looking for is the feeling inside. Am I making sense? Dito ko na i-introduce sa inyo yung outer man and inner man. Okay? The outer man is this, the physical body. That is the outer man. The inner man, however, is that who experience feeling. Okay? Feeling. The inner man is that who hear your I am. No? Nakakarinig ng I am mo. Yung inner man is yung nakakarinig ng thoughts mo, kahit yung mga dark thoughts mo, no? Siya yung nakakarinig nun. And the mental pictures, what you imagined in your head, yung inner man yung nakakakita doon. Now, you have to think of it this way. Since ang gusto talaga natin makuha is yung feeling, not the physical proof, let me share with you a story lang real quick. Ganito, gawin natin siyang question for you. What if, sabi ko sa'yo, I will give you 100 million pesos right now. The only thing is, I will take away your ability to feel any emotions. Would you accept the 100 million? Well, some of you will say yes, but some of you who has acquired wisdom already, you will start to understand that it's not the physical thing that we want. Yes, we may want the 100 million pesos, but what we actually want is the feeling that you can unlock if you have 100 million pesos. Right? It's the feeling that you will unlock. So, why are you waiting for the 3D form of it? Why not just go to the imaginal scene and see a mental picture of what you desire, feel it as if it's already happening now, honor the name of God, which is I am, and observe your thoughts so that you can create what you desire sa 3D reality within. My purpose here is to share with you the concept of the inner man. Yung inner man, yung gustong ikasal, hindi yung outer man. The inner man is that who wants to feel. The moment you understand na what you're actually trying to manifest is not for the outer man, hindi siya para dito, kundi para siya dito, you will see manifestation very instant.